Hello friends, in this video we will learn about how to get a selected cell sheet number. Like here I am now in sheet number 11. Okay, now if I select this cells, then it's nothing showing me anything. Okay, so how can I get selected sheet value number? So here just type here selected sheet number. Cell formula in VBA and Excel and same here. Okay, so this is my selected cell value. Okay, if I want to know, if I click here, then I want to know what is the formula or what is the sheet number of this advanced HLOOKUP. So I will simply here type selected sheet number, press here and F9. So this is the sheet number 9. Okay, this is 10 and 11, and suppose if I again change this into cell formula in 9, then this should be 10. Okay, and if I select this active sheet, then this is the 11 sheet number, and this is my, I select this is my current. So by using selected sheet number 1 formula, you can get a sheet count when you select particular cells. Okay, so let's do this. How can we do this in VBA? Type by Alt F11 here, write function. Here just type and press Ctrl space. In instant formula, basically find the sheet number, basically find the specific text inside the string. So I will start my number from 1 for searching, and my string will be range.formula because we are finding particular cell formula. Okay, and here I will type here exclamatory sentence. So why we use exclamatory sentence? So basically this sentence go to the range formula and get number till this exclamatory sentence. So whenever you select that time before the range, Excel automatically update this exclamatory sentence as a separator between the sheet and range. So for this I will just here write if separator exists, then I will call the VBA that update sheet number of that selected range formula. So just simply write here sheet, and what should we write? We will use mid basically find get the particular part of string, okay, from the entire string. So my start number will be 1 and end number will be. So first of all we will look what is the result is showing. Here I will simply write here showing me 0. Okay, why it's showing me 0? Let's have a look. String number, range start from 1. Here just should be write formula. Now I want to remove this equal and single quotation, right? So for this we will call this get start from 3 number. So now let's have start this 3 number. Now I also want to remove this exclamatory to get sheet number. So what I will do, this 3 4. So now I will enter this in sheet number. Now you can get your selected sheet number by using sheet index and mid function. Okay. And now what happens if I select the active sheets? It's showing me 0. So simply call that as selected sheet number. If this string is not greater than 0, then selected sheet number will be active sheet name dot active sheet dot index 11. Okay, so this is our formula. So now whenever you select any range, then you will get sheet number as well. Yeah. Thanks for watching.